Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Trevorton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Leck Hill around 6 p.m. Shamokin, Marshallton, Fairview, and Ferndale, Knoebels Grove, and Ellisburg around 6:10 p.m. Mount Carmel, Culp Mott, Wilburton, number 1, Wilburton, number 2, Locustdale, Lavelle, New Media, Slabtown, and Burries Lake around 6:20 p.m. Ashland, Aristes, Girard Hill, and Fountain Springs around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gordon, Edgewood, Park Place, Ringtown, Middleport, Cambola, Marion Heights, 7 Points, Palo Alto, and Shenandoah Heights. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 113 to 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Northumberland, and Schuylkill.